right, boys and girls, we are going to practice using our number line today. So the first problem is 8 minus 6. So put your pencils on 8 and count back 6 spaces. Okay, so here we go. 8, we're going to count back 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What did I land on? 2. Good job. 6 minus 5. Here's 6. And I'm going to subtract 5. So we're going to count back 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that answer is 1. Can you hear my dog barking? She is always barking when we're doing math, aren't we? Yes. All right. Okay, so now we're going to do 7 minus 2. So put your pencil on 7. Count back 2 hops. Ready? 1, 2. What did we land on? 5. Good job. Okay, now on 9 minus 2, we'll put our pencil on 9. We're going to count back 2 hops. Ready? 1, 2. And we stopped on 7. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to push pause and do the rest on your own, and then push play, and we'll check them together. Okay? Ready? Push pause. Awesome work. Now let's check our answers. 10 minus 7. No, sorry, I just told you. Oh, boys and girls, I always do that. You've got to be listening. I'll give you the answer. 10 minus 3 is 7. Silly Mrs. Stewart. 7 minus 4, the answer is 3. Did you get 3? Check it and make sure. 10 minus 9, that is 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 0, we wouldn't go anywhere on the number line. That's going to stay at 2. And 4 minus 3 is 1. Now that we've done this side, let's go over on the back and start with our minus 1s. All right, boys and girls, on the back here, let's first start with all of the problems that we can know the answer to. So if I have one like right here with 3 minus 1, I know that I'm just going to go to the neighbor of 3. So the number before 3 is 2. Now I look across the row and find another minus 1. So 6 minus 1, I go backwards to the neighbor, it's 5. Okay, 3 minus 1, that neighbor is 2. I don't see any more minus 1s on that row, so I'm going to go to the next row. The neighbor of 6 is 5. The neighbor of 3 is 2. And I keep going. Go ahead and push pause and see if you can find all of the minus 1s on this page, and then press play and correct it with mine. Okay, so check with mine and see if you got all of those answers correct. The next, we're going to find the neighbors on the number line. So when you have a neighbor on the number line, the answer is just 1. So if you have a number that's subtracting a neighbor, we just know that the answer is 1. Look how simple. 3 and 2 are neighbors, that's a 1. 6 and 5 are neighbors, good. So we can just go fill in 1s on all of these answers because they are neighbors on the number line. So go ahead and finish, and then let your teacher know that you're ready to go on.